Okay, so I have Ollie here with me.
Hey, buddy. I've been trying to get him to play. He's still trying to figure out what he thinks of all of this, so we'll see. Let's see if I can get him to play. I'll unleash him. It's okay. It's okay. You see, he's just a little unsure. That's okay. Hi, buddy. Oh, boy. What is it? Hi, baby. It's nice to meet you. It's very nice to meet you. So I'm just gonna kind of let him settle in today. I'm not gonna worry too much about like jumping into the obedience and the structure. I want him to be as comfortable as possible before I start to do that. So I just want him to realize, hey, maybe Brianna's not so bad. I'll probably after this take him on a little bit of a walk too. We were just outside. I was just kind of potty breaking him though, and he seemed okay out there. So I think he might be more comfortable if we go on a walk instead. But right now it'll be more just like giving him treats and showing him this area is not scary. I'm not scary. Everything's okay. Before we really jump into too much obedience. Ollie. Ollie, Ollie, Ollie. Hi, baby. You want a treat? Ollie, you want a treat? Oh, buddy. He doesn't want the treat right now, but I'll use that as kind of like a gauge to see how he's feeling. He thought about it. Thought about it, but he still didn't take it very good. Ollie! That's a bathroom. That's a dark bathroom. But he went in it. Most dogs are scared of that bathroom. Ollie! Ollie, Ollie, Ollie! Hey! Ollie! Mr. Ollie. Good boy. Oh, he picked it up, he chewed it, and he spit it back out. Sometimes adding movement to the food gets the dogs kind of excited because it triggers their prey drive. So that's what I was trying to do with that. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Another thing that might help him too is maybe I'll ask him for some obedience, but something really easy like a sit, and then free him up and take off running. Sometimes adding movement helps. So let me see if that works with him. I like using the treats as kind of a gauge to see just how nervous they are, because a lot of dogs will prioritize safety over food, but a lot of times throughout that first lesson, they'll go from not taking treats at all to starting to take some treats. So that'll kind of let me know how he's really feeling and if I'm in the right direction. I know, scary baby. Hi. You are very cute. Very cute, like a brother. I love that you guys get to hear the way Bentley was. I don't know what Bentley looks like now, but when he trained, how he was groomed with that really cute rounded cut. So I love that you did that to Ollie too. Ollie, good boy. Hey, Ollie, sit. Free, good boy. Good job. No, we're running around a little bit. Notice kind of like running away from him. Try to make it where I'm less intimidating. I'm a very intimidating person. So I'm just trying to show him like, hey, you don't have to be scared of me even when I move quick. I'm not like charging you. Hey, Ollie, sit. Good. Free. I like that. He did a little stress shake. He was shaking off the stress. Good boy. Oh, look at you. What do you think of a toy? He's got some nice prey drive. You can tell that he will eventually tug, but he's just a little too tense right now about it, and that's okay. He thinks about it though. I bet you tomorrow we can get him playing.
don't want to board the viewers. Okay, we're back.
Her question was a lot faster than I thought it was going to be. Hi, baby. Hi, baby man. Come here. Ooh. Hey, what are you doing? Hi. Sometimes getting on their level helps. Good boy. Nice sweet boy. Very nice to meet you. You know that? You're very cute. You are a very cute little doodle. A little doodle bop. It's okay, that's just the AC kicking on. Ollie! Ah, good boy! Good job, baby. Oh my goodness. Hey. Oh, you like your statues. Oh, is that good? Yeah. You like that? I'm good. Oh, those are my treats. Those are my treats. They're my treats to have and yours to earn. Ollie, Ollie. Oh, that's nice. Sorry. Oh, he likes to eat scratchies. He likes to eat scratchies. Hi. Oh, look at Snuggy up. Honey. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Hi, baby. I'm sorry, I'm sure this video is very fun to watch. Oh my goodness. I just want him to be as comfortable as possible. We're getting it. Wait, baby. Oh my goodness. What is it? Ollie. Ollie, you sweet boy. Are you a sweet puppy? Oh, he likes to eat scratches. Can I interest you in a treat? Oh, we're taking treats now. Oh, buddy. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Look at this little belly. Look at this little belly. Hi, Ollie. Mwah. Oh my goodness. Look at a little bunny rabbit with your ears up. Oh my goodness, I love him. Hi. Little guy. Okay. Good boy. So notice that change in demeanor. I am much scarier to him when I'm standing up versus laying down. There he didn't even want to look at me, got all avoidant, like, what the heck happened? So I'm gonna stay down on the ground. We're gonna keep doing some cuddling. I just want to make him, like I said, as comfortable as possible. I really want him to open up and show us his personality with the jumping and everything. So my number one priority is just to make him comfortable for today. I'm gonna take him on a walk, see if that kind of gets him settled in some more too. But yeah,
This is what we'll be doing.